Hello and welcome back to another EV John Adventures YouTube channel video. You join me with an impromptu check-in here on my 2024 Tesla Model Y. And I want to check in and see, was I successful in kind of gaming the system a bit to get a free month of Tesla full self-driving? And I call it gaming the system because of this. I had purchased a month ago 1 month of full self-driving for my Tesla. So I paid $100 and I got 1 month of full self-driving. I did this specifically because I knew I had some longer trips coming up, and I've done this in the past. I like to use FSD for longer trips. I would use it more often, but I just don't need to spend $100 a month, right? I mean, we all have to manage our budgets. We all have bills to pay. I have a family, all of this. So I don't buy it every month, but for opportune times, I do buy FSD. So I purchased FSD November 10th, and I had it for 1 month. And that month ends today, December 10th. So in the meantime, Tesla upgraded to 14.1 and then 14.2. So I updated my car with 14.1 FSD. And then when 14.2 was announced, Tesla said that they were going to give everybody who doesn't already have FSD a free month to try it. They've done this in the past, right? They feel like this version is such a level above previous versions that they want people to try it. So from what I read from Tesla, once the car is updated to FSD 14.2, if you don't have FSD, they'll then email you with a free month. So I already had FSD though, right? When they sent this out, I had FSD. So what I did just for this experiment is after I got that message, but before my car was signaled with the update, I went into my subscriptions for Tesla and I canceled FSD, which I was going to do anyway. I had no intention of buying a second month. So I went ahead and canceled it. So that meant that I could use my FSD subscription that I paid $100 for up until December 10th when it ended. And then after that, I didn't have FSD. So I did that. And now today is December 10th and my FSD subscription ended. In the meantime, when my car was signaled to get upgraded to 14.2, I delayed. I actually didn't let the car even download it or connect to Wi-Fi for a while. Finally, it did connect to Wi-Fi, and I re-enabled it. I felt bad for the car. It was begging me like every time after a while I parked, hey, connect me to Wi-Fi. And it did connect to Wi-Fi on its own when supercharging and downloaded the update. So I did reconnect it to my home Wi-Fi. But I still haven't let it install the update. It kept prompting me, hey, it's scheduled for 2 a.m. The app, the software update is here, right? Because from the car's perspective, it's like, I have this new version. Go ahead and install it and you'll love it. And I usually do install them all right away. But this time I waited. I wanted to wait to install the update until after my full self-driving subscription ended. So here I am in the car now, and take a look at the message that I just see on the screen. So I got in the car now, it's 12:20 p.m. just to run a quick errand at lunchtime, and this is the message that I see. Your autopilot package has returned to its original configuration. This means that autopilot is now done and off my car. So I'm just gonna go run my quick errand now, and then when I come home, I will tap on the little scheduler icon and I'll actually go ahead and install the software update. So I'll check in again when I do that, and then we'll see if I get a free month or not. Okay, I'm back from my errand. It's about 25 minutes later, and let's go ahead and install the update. And I think this is actually pretty interesting because, you know, of course, if you already have purchased FSD or you already have an active subscription, Tesla's not going to give you like anything for free. I mean, the goal of this is to say, for people who don't have it, the unconverted people who haven't tried it, let's give them a free sample. So by that measure, I probably shouldn't get one because I've already tried it. Of course, I haven't tried 14.2 yet, but I've already tried FSD as recently as yesterday, right? So I know it's good, and they don't need to sell me on it. It's just, for me, it's just a matter of just the cost. I you know, for as good as it is, I just don't need it regularly enough to drop $100 a month on it. So I don't need it by that measure, but I'm just curious to see the way the program was structured. I'm pretty sure that if I upgraded a week ago or 2 weeks ago or whenever I was eligible for it, I would not have gotten a free month. But I'm pretty sure that if I upgrade now, I will. And I'm curious to see, hey, if I don't get it, no harm, no foul. I won't be upset about it because I did have it. I paid for it. I knew what I was doing last month. But if I do get it, I think that'll be awesome to have an extra free month from Tesla of FSD, like an early Christmas present from Tesla. So anyway, let's go install it and schedule it, and then I'll check in again when if and when I get the update on the free trial. All right, let's go. All right, flipping to the software page in my settings, we can see I have a hardware 4 Tesla Model Y, and I'm currently on software 2025.38.7. It doesn't show me my FSD version on here, which is interesting, but we can see I'm pending 38.9.6 is currently available. And if I look at release notes for that, 38.9.6, and it doesn't actually show like FSD 14.2 in here. So I'm really curious to see what we get. Let me go ahead and hit install. I'm just gonna go ahead and click on that, and I'm just gonna say install now. And it's gonna give me a 2-minute countdown. So I'm gonna leave the car. I'm gonna go inside and get some lunch and go back to work, and then we'll see. This should update on its own. It always says it takes like an hour to update, but it always updates in way less than that. And my expectation is that later today at some point, I may get an email saying you now have a free trial of Full Self-Driving. And if I do, I'll share it. And if I don't, I'll share that too. And then we'll post the video. So let me know in the comments if you have had a trial of Full Self-Driving, and what you think of it. And if you think 14.2 is worth it and worthy of this big trial that Tesla's doing. All right, I'll check in again with you soon. Okay, checking in literally minutes after I left you in the car, and I apologize for background noise. I'm actually letting the dogs out and recording on my other phone because I just got a notification on my phone from Tesla. Let me show you what it says. Okay, here's the phone. You can see a notification from Tesla, and let me just open it up, and here we go. Try our latest version. You're getting a free trial. So that's pretty cool. It didn't take much time. It knows it's installing it. I was, in fact, able to game the system. So there we are. We are installing the software right now, and it's going to include the free trial of Full Self-Driving. So what do you know? By holding off the 14.2, I was able to game the system just a little bit and get a free month. And what I heard is it's actually more like 40 days. So I think I might actually have FSD until mid-January. So that's super cool. Love it. Anyway, thanks for joining me on another quick video, impromptu video on the EV John Adventures YouTube channel. This was kind of a fun adventure, gaming the system, seeing if we could work within the rules and navigate them to get a free month of FSD. Talk to you again soon.